OWA Seafarers Hub, ang bagong tambayan ng mga Filipinong marino. This is located along Mabini Street near corner Yuan Avenue. Pag-akyat mo dito, you should observe the rules and regulations. Sa front desk, present your identification and mag-log in, active or inactive seafarers command. Pagpasok mo dito, makikita mo ang malinis at magandang ambience. This is a perfect and comfortable place for seafarers to hang out. The amenities and benefits of Seafarers Hub can offer to all Filipino seafarers. Rest Lounge. Makapagpahinga ka muna dito after applying for long tiring hours. They have legal assistance, family support services, free internet connection and local phone calls. Skills Training and Development Center, OWA Programs and Help Desk. And most of all, at kung ikaw ay kinakapos na sa budget at kumakalam ang sikmura at nauuhaw sa ka-apply para magbarko, may free food sila dito. Lugaw, coffee, bread, juices at iba pa. Dito lang yan sa OWA Seafarers Hub. Hindi na natin kailangan magtiis ng init at ulan sa Luneta. If you're free, try to visit the place and avail the amenities and services they offer and enjoy the place.